Thank you. Good morning. My name is Rowan Levitt. I'm from VoiceTrust Canada.
My name is Hermann Geupel from VoiceTrust Europe.
So VoiceTrust specializes in voice biometrics. People often ask me what that is. So I tell them, think of your fingerprint, and now think of your voice print. You all recognize your friends and family when you hear them speak. Well, our software does essentially the same thing.
For those of you who were on vacation for 2 weeks over the Christmas and New Year's holidays, did any one of you forget a password when you returned to work? If you did, you are not alone. VoiceTrust solved this problem with a password reset appliance using voice biometrics. Let me show you how that works. You just call a telephone number and follow the instructions.
Welcome to the VoiceTrust password service. Please say your user code.
HGE.
To complete the authentication, please say Banking Innovation Conference rocks.
Banking Innovation Conference rocks.
Which system would you like to reset your password for?
Windows.
Your password for the system Windows is A as in Alpha, 3, $, F as in Foxtrot, 7, B as in Bravo, 9, J as in Juliet. Thank you for calling. Goodbye.
Okay, now I have a temporary password. I can use that to log in and continue working.
Great. So Herman just showed you our password reset appliance. Now I'll show you our system for the call center. I don't know about you, but whenever I call a call center and I'm asked personal questions such as my birth date, my mother's maiden name, whatnot, I find it annoying. So with our system, and anyone can get answers to those questions as well, so it's not very secure. So with our system, our recent innovation, InTalk, we can help you identify the speaker on the other end of the line. It's faster, it's cheaper, it's more secure, and it's more convenient than challenge questions alone. So let me show you how this works. Now let me set up the scenario. This is a customer, a banking customer, who made a request for a wire transfer. And prior to initiating that wire transfer, we need to call back the customer and verify their identity.
Hello. Speaking.
Hello, Mr. Pat Thompson. This is Rowan from the VoiceTrust Bank. I'm calling you to confirm a transaction that you requested. Could you kindly describe that transaction to me, and we can then proceed with...
Yes, early this morning around 8:30 I sent you an email requesting a wire transfer. The funds are to be wired to the Finovate group from my checking account.
Understood.
I provided all wire details in the email along with the amount to transfer. Please take note that the funds are in pound sterling, so a conversion from Canadian dollars will be necessary. Would it be possible to send the funds today?
Yes, thank you, Mr. Thompson, for your business, and we'll do that immediately. Okay, so what just happened here? When Mr. Thompson was speaking, as you noticed, that his speech was being collected and it was being sent to our voice biometric server. The server, as it was listening to his voice, was processing his voice print, comparing it to the voice print on file, and returning a score. So you see the raw score of 16. When the score is convincing enough, the system accepts the speaker and says, this is indeed Mr. Pat Thompson. Now let's look at the scenario where it's a fraudster trying to imitate or trying to steal money from Mr. Pat Thompson.
Hello?
Hello, may I please speak with Mr. Pat Thompson?
This is he.
Hello, Mr. Thompson. This is Rowan from the VoiceTrust Bank. You requested a transaction this morning, and I'm calling to verify that transaction. Could you kindly describe that for me?
Yes. Early this morning, around 8:30 a.m., I sent you an email requesting a wire transfer.
Right.
I wanted the funds to be wired to the Finovate group from my checking account ending in 989.
Understood.
I provided all the wire details in the email, along with the amount to be transferred. Please take a note that the funds are to be in pounds sterling, so a conversion from American dollars will be necessary. Would it be possible to send the funds today?
Well, thank you very much, Mr. Thompson, for your business. We do have more procedures to go through prior to initiating that transfer. Okay, what just happened here is, as you noticed, as his speech was being collected, the engine identified with a score of -36 that this was an imposter. And now the process is to verify the identity kick in. As well, that his voice could be sent to our identification tool and matched against a fraud list to figure out who the speaker really is.
Okay, thanks, Ren. The product that Ren just demonstrated to you is called InTalk. In a normal conversation, without any special action from the customer side, voice biometrics helps the call center agent to verify the customer's identity. What has this all to do with mobile banking, you may ask yourself? Every smartphone has a microphone. And that's great to use that to capture 2 seconds of the customer's voice to protect transactions. We show that live outside at our booth together with our partner Finantix. So our voice biometrics products can help you serve your customers better, more secure, and cheaper by leaving off annoying security questions, that's customer satisfaction, by adding voice biometrics as authentication factor, that's higher security, and by reducing labor time, that's cost savings. VoiceTrust has presence in the Americas, Asia, and Europe, and a customer base of over 1 million voice biometric users, including Allianz Insurance, Volkswagen Bank, and other banking customers around the world. Thank you very much, and visit us at our booth.